Is there any locality in Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, where there is 100% beef eating family? Because I want to ask you, a 5-kilometer radius means at some places the distance between point X on this side from the center point to 5 kilometers this side, that means a diameter of 10 kilometers. You cannot sell beef, and there will be temples close to mosques somewhere. There will be temple close to in a 5-kilometer radius close to a Muslim inhabitation. So what you are really doing is that you are putting a clamp down on the consumption of beef. It is willy-nilly going to be ban on the sale of beef virtually across the state. Practically, isn't that what it means?
Ideally, Nabika, I would have loved to do that. But fortunately, unfortunately, the reality of Assam, where there are many villages which are dominated 100% by religious minority community, migrated my Muslim minority community. So beef eating will come down, but it will not stop in Assam.
You're saying a migrated Muslim community. Are you saying these are people from who have origins from Bangladesh?
Yeah, as you know that there are large part of riverine area, villages, district, which are almost 100% dominated by migrated religious minority. So when we introduce this act, this will actually stop consumption of beef in cosmopolitan area, and it is not going to affect those areas. Basically, they are completely 50,000, 30,000 families are there, only belongs to religious minority community. In a stress of villages, in a stress of subdivision, in a stress of blocks like that.
I want to ask you that you are saying that villages which are 100% beef eating or Muslim inhabited, there you can eat. Where will they buy this beef from? Only in those localities? And if that locality is within a 5-kilometer radius of a temple which is outside their village, how will they get the supply of beef in those villages? Can you explain?
Nabika, first of all, I am not here to facilitate consumption of beef. So I am here to restrict the consumption of beef as per the directed policies of our state, our constitution, or whatever Gandhiji has said to us. So I am not here to facilitate consumption of beef. My idea is to put in a way that I am going to put restriction on consumption of beef. So simple answer is that within 5 kilometers of Satro and Namgarh, you will not consume beef, and from where you will consume beef, that answer you will not get from me.
Okay, so Himanta Biswa Sarma, then what happens? You are not just now a BJP leader, you are also the Chief Minister of Assam, and therefore you have to look after all the communities. So will you ban the consumption of pork in areas which are predominantly Muslim dominated?
Nabika, if there is such application or petition comes to my table, definitely I will give the due consideration because as you know, the pork is a livelihood of our tribal population. So however, if such application comes to my table, definitely I look at it.
But Himanta Biswa Sarma, you also know that several of your tribal populations also consume beef, whether they belong to the minority community or not. Some Hindu tribal people also consume beef. What about them?
Nabika, I am not going to give a reply to hypothetical question, but in Assam, everybody has welcomed this bill because people want that there should not be communal tension. We live in a state where there is almost 60 and 40% ratio of Hindu and Muslim. So we want to live in harmony. We want to establish complete peace and tranquility in our state. So if a consumption of beef is an irritant, then why not restrict it? So I have introduced bill yesterday morning in the assembly. Basically, no mass protest except some vested voices from some political party. The common population, both Hindu and Muslim, feels that if by restricting consumption of beef, we can create a situation of communal harmony in Assam, why not we do that? Ultimately, Assam is known for communal harmony. We have legacy of great people like Srimanta Shankardev, Srimanta Madhavdev, Ajan Fakir. So there is a tradition in Assam. There is many Muslim locality in Assam who doesn't consume beef at all because they think that it will affect the religious sentiment of their neighbors. So we have these age-old traditions, and these bills is not going to create any communal tension. Rather, this bill will help in ushering a new era of communal harmony in my state.
Himanta Biswa